All right, so I have some really ripe pears here. They're great for our smoothie. I'm just going to seed them and core them, okay? I will leave the skin on. I'm making enough here for 2 people, okay? So if you want to just do one, do half. I'm gonna add 3 dates. These are nice and big. I'm just gonna take the pit out. I'm gonna peel 2 oranges. My blender is very high powered. If you don't have a high powered one, you might wanna just squeeze the oranges and add orange juice to this, okay? So you just put that in there. These are obviously seedless, guys. If you have seeds, you gotta take them out. I'm gonna add about a cup of water. This is filtered water, and a cup of ice. I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla. Let's say a 1/4 teaspoon, okay? This is like an ice cream, guys. Delicious. Wow. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.